Ever wondered why some color combinations just work? It's not by chance, but rather a fascinating interplay of color theory and psychology. Yes, the secret to those eye-catching outfits or those vibrant interiors lies in understanding color combinations. Take a moment to ponder on the classic white. Its power is in its simplicity and versatility. When paired with almost any color, it creates a balanced look. From the boldness of red to the calmness of blue, white serves as the perfect canvas. Now, shift your gaze to the world of electric colors. They are vibrant, they are bold, and they make a statement. Pair an electric color with shades like golden yellow or brown, and you've got yourself a combination that exudes energy and warmth. But the world of color combinations doesn't end there. There's a whole spectrum of pairings that can create stunning visual effects. Think beige with emerald, a combination that echoes the calming serenity of nature. Or gray with fuchsia, a blend that balances the cool neutrality of gray with the playful vibrancy of fuchsia. And what about pink with mint green? A duo that brings together the sweetness of pink with the freshness of mint, creating a youthful and invigorating effect. Each of these combinations can be used in a myriad of ways, in fashion, interior design, and art. They can set the mood, convey a message, or simply make a visual statement. To recap, understanding color combinations is about more than just pairing colors that look good together. It's about understanding the effects that these combinations create, and how they can be used to convey different messages and moods. From the versatility of white to the vibrancy of electric colors, and the unique pairings of beige and emerald, gray and fuchsia, or pink and mint green. The world of color combinations is a fascinating one. So, the next time you're choosing an outfit or deciding on the color scheme for your room, remember, it's not just about what colors you like. It's about understanding how different colors work together and the effects they can create. Dive into the world of color combinations and unlock a whole new level of creativity.